Alright, so part 3 of the b414. What we're getting on with today is we're getting the tyre off, which as you can see behind us took quite a bit of taking off. We use the angle grinder to cut it just because it's, I mean, you could probably put your head in there really. And then we are going to strip all of the old rusty paint using the trusty DeWalt battery grinder. I was going to take off these nuts and take the rim off, but they seem to be quite well corroded in place. So we'll just get that all ground down, maybe use a little bit of filler to just smooth out the dimples. And if you come with me into here, I'll show you the progress. First thing, sump is now clean of debris and surprisingly no shavings, which is good. Sump gasket's on the way. Second thing is we've got it on axle stands now. I'll be taking this wheel off soon. It's just for better access as I need to get to this whole side. We're going to be taking all of the paint off there and just redoing it. That'll be in a little while, but you know, you might as well plan ahead. First thing first, we need to get this engine running. We've got the sump off. The filter is going to be cleaned up. I'm going to put some diesel through the filter gauze, change the oil, change the oil filter, put some new glow plugs on. Unfortunately we don't have the glow plugs. One issue I'm having at the moment is finding fuel pipes. I've ordered some Banjo 1/2-inch fittings from Tractor Parts, so they'll be coming, but hopefully this afternoon a man will be getting back to me about the original pipes from the back to front. Yes, I wouldn't mind just putting flexi hoses in, but really I want the thing to be original. So yeah, that's it. And if you want to just, you know, follow or friend or whatever to see the progress, please go ahead and do so. Thank you.